fats and oils. Many fats and oils are now marketed as health foods, including several sources of saturated fat that were previously demonized. 1. Butter from grass-fed cows. Butter from grass-fed cows is high in many important nutrients, including vitamin K2. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains relatively high amounts of MCTs, may aid Alzheimer's disease, and has been shown to help you lose belly fat. 3. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest vegetable oils you can find. It contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and is very high in antioxidants with powerful health benefits.